I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by adding screen recording to Control Center so it's ready when you need it. Open Settings, go to Control Center, then Customize Controls. Tap the plus next to Screen Recording. Once done, swipe down from the top right corner to confirm the record button appears. Make sure microphone access is enabled later if you plan to record voice. This saves time and avoids redoing a clip. Now you have the tool available and will move straight to recording setup. You now launch the recorder. Swipe down from the top right to open Control Center. Press and hold the screen record icon until the menu pops up. This step reveals the microphone option and a countdown timer. Tap microphone on if you want to narrate, or leave it off for internal audio only. When ready, tap Start Recording. A 3-second countdown begins so you can position the app or screen. Make sure the app you record is open and visible before the timer ends. To finish, tap the red status bar at the top left and confirm stop, or reopen Control Center and tap the record icon. The video saves automatically to Photos. Open it and use Edit to trim start or end points. If your recording lacks sound, make sure microphone access is enabled in Settings Privacy Microphone and that the app has permission. If recordings don't appear, restart your iPhone and check available storage before trying again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.